Jamaicans on Mother's Day be
Box
like.
that's a showing mother belly big. No man. Keisha brother look young. Jesus Christ, the Felicia mother this. Backside.
Okay, Mom, what you want? What them have? It's McDonald's. Give me a burger. Okay, what kind? Me hungry. Me want a good burger. Okay, yes. I'll take one Big Mac meal, please. It's who name Mac? Big Mac. No, it's one of their best burgers. You'll like it. What type of slackness them I going with? No, me no want nothing with name, sir. Tell her to give me 2 chicken leg. Bought Big Mac. No, sir. Yeah, sorry. I'll just take a 10-piece chicken nugget meal instead, please. Tell her I want it well done. Mom, you're not ordering steak. We're not at a steakhouse. That's what we did figure. But you bring me a McDonald's. We're in a rush. We don't have time for this. Boy, me picnic them worthless. Can't even get a good meal. Them say me miserable, so let me just shut my mouth and eat me dollar food, yeah? 10-piece meal, would that be all for you? No, put no salt pan me fry them. Sure.
Yo, me I tell you, say this generation mindset gone to the dirt, you know. Certain things they used to say back in the days, you have to switch it up nowadays. You can't say it like how you used to say it. When them come some up on me there, my friend them invite me over to movie party. You understand? It's a party where you watch movies. My nigga skinny, I gonna look for my next benching feeds. I gonna ask him if he want popcorn feed. A be a particular rich na yo see a man cross, hungry, miserable. You would say every argument I forget clean up these days. And one thing I would for me friend them can create some excitement over some foolishness you see. Like this morning, me get up and me not feel good. So me I tell you some want some hot in my system for bust look gas. One piece of excitement. No. Why? No brother man. Burn off that. So where your man them in our house?
How others wait on the ice to cool the drink.
Let's wait a little more.
How Jamaicans wait on the ice to cool the drink.
Miss, we come for giant reports. Just give me a report, come I have work for go right now. So me just look pan it later. Alright, thanks. Yeah man, me check back pan. Yeah man, me have that laugh. Me have work. Yeah, I come for Ashley report. Yeah, me, a long time I didn't want to see her report. Miss. We're so much absent to the pan report and I said him go to school every day. He never come out. Out the road, you fight, make a fight. Me and the girl, stand up there so. Miss, I want Ashley report. Oh, 98 average. Miss, even though I come up with a plan for mash up her, but she do good man, I pour her my girl, I pour her. Yo, I come for my son report. Ratted. Miss, my average so low. Yo, you know how much less me sending, miss? How much extra class? Come for Twister report. Pass me, let me see it. Lord, you do it so much late, girl. Me tell you, say you got, when you're dead, you're late for your funeral. Me tell you.
Alright, good morning students. Let's take out in the Shane book please. We are going to finish up chapter 4 today. So all who have no book, we go over 7G and ask for a copy. Miss Banana book in on them, so I'm not come in class. Go to the library and borrow a book. Every time it's the same thing. If they don't have any, you sit beside Alicia and stop waste my time. Let's go. More than the summer was over. Miss what word here? Teacher was back and he had his contract. He was talking in town that he would need the whole range again. The homesteaders would have to go. Miss Minas, which part in the day? I wonder if the one Christopher done them work him over there scrub shoes. Miss soon done me I done it, miss. No man, not done it.
Jesus, me can't bother with a phone and that's why I'm not buy them expensive phone. I want to use Wi-Fi. If you go plug in the phone, forget it back. In that. So I want to use Wi-Fi. Lanza! Lanza!
Yes, Grandma.
Come here, then, my grandson. Come fix the phone, give me there.
Where you say?
Come here.
Grandma, what now?
Come, hold this there. Come here, try connect to inter sitting there for me go watch my church. And I can't watch my church because the Wi-Fi no on or sitting wherever you want to call him. I try plug in the charger to connect the Wi-Fi and it not work. Fix it for me there.
Grandma, the Wi-Fi just turn off. You don't need the charger to turn on the Wi-Fi.
Well, fix it. Me no know hurry. Me need to watch my church. Fix it, quick.
Hey Alexa.
Fire upon that. My name Monexa. The blood clot. Anyways, what will your question today be,
What's
sir?
the weather like right now?
Boss man, do you know what the weather is like?
No, that's what I'm
Do I look like one CP24 news channel to you?
No.
So why you expect me for know?
Anyway, can you tell me what I can get from A&W?
Alright. Let me search. Ganja here strong. Bomba clot. Alright. Them have a mama burger, a father burger. What a body burger. Good a body burger. Fire for that. How you make bad man search up now? Bun that. Mirrors.
Yo, my next to turn off. Like, well, I'm getting my own burger, do my own. Like, who invented this?
Playing Chichi Man by Talk.
Shem Life. Your mom is on the phone. Tell her you need something from the store. Alright. Mommy, Shamar said he wants something from the store. No, not me. You. Not me. You. She, no. Tell her she need to bring you something from the store. He said she need to bring something for me from the store. Fucking idiot. Mommy said she gonna murder me. Hush. As long as you alone, she a murder.